sea. I feel the freedom, the wind in my hair, the sun on my face. The waves crash on the golden sand, and I feel my soul renewed. Blue sea, take me far away to a place where love is the law, where the waves dance to the rhythm of the heart, and peace is the answer to every prayer. The smell of salt, and I feel the energy of the universe in action. The seagulls fly over the infinity, and I feel the freedom of being who I am. Blue sea, take me far away to a place where love is the law, where the waves dance to the rhythm of the heart. Peace is the answer to every prayer, to every prayer.
Woke up with sunshine kissing my face, cool breeze dancing, no time to waste. Grab my board, the sky's so blue, laughter ahead with my favorite crew. One perfect day, we will never let it fade. Waves and love in the golden parade, sand in our toes, hearts open wide. This beach, this vibe, forever our guide. Kids building castles, music in the air, coconut drinks and no single care. Granny's smile shining under the tree, a moment so pure, wild and free. No worries here, just peace and sound. Unity flows where joy is found. Time slows down with every wave. Memories born, the soul will say. One perfect day, we'll never let it fade. Waves and love in the golden parade, sand in our toes, hearts open wide. This beach, this vibe, forever our guide. Sunset colors melt into gold, stories shared, both young and old. The fire is lit, guitars in hand, singing together just like we planned. The stars peek out, the night is near, but love still lingers crystal clear. From ocean breeze to firelight glow, the rhythm of life begins to show. One perfect day, we'll never let it fade. Waves and love in the golden parade, sand in our toes, hearts open wide. This beach, this vibe, forever our guide. Morning will come, the tide will shift, but what we shared is a timeless gift. No matter where tomorrow we go, that sun-soaked joy will always flow. So cherish the now, let it play like waves that sing. Don't drift away, with hearts as one. We found the way to live in love. One perfect day.